il a delivery service ni la bansuma manba tunda and pala zombe first time bon quand je l'on ojia nto jinde le pam and banyala ditable betiala ditable to my no
kolamba niranga dunya ngo kolamba bana ba te yuma amaka yo banyala la ya yelo
to chekati azan paute bonam na za duma te no mola nam duka gasi o iko pun kati aka ta jinji mo pun yeti za afan dem ben zanti isamba na nam ke di zomi te nang la katare kanon zo son domi te pil no lore and te pil no lore ta zon katana jinji mo pune dalirma me nyala wula kaman 1 month ago te mint delivery company shell d'agina et glass delivery 4 enfants dem bien nzanzan ti sambana nem kedi no lo wan kanama kabla ba kazan service chama pai domi tebumile dezo kan bolba yebu piana ga tezan dara a shishel dem bien ma nzanzan tinya so aibe sambane de tuna avun mona ti dila enfant jimo katipi boy inside tamale ngulum bone abu moaz zo tenan la kata kanon sa liu kan nyala ngumbi te dumo pune de non pam la je because so kami alioko onye veritan artist onye la rapper kare beer punk from Chow Boys and table Misarashi, yes. Misarashi, Banyala Wumbe, Dumo Pune. The last time Manta Hamiro Dajin and Cha Jima, Pina, Chekano, Mahabi Piana. Sina
to Gomna.
So I didn't capab Miamaka, a new musician. Cat the boy, delivery company, you can be.
Yeah, I'm here to Mamano Punyasham.
Yes.
Aside the music, man, Latin Tunde,
yes, okay.
So il has delivery service near la Bansuma, Manuba Tunda, and Pala Zobe, first time bon, quand je l'on ojia, nto jinde le pam, and Banyala ditable, Betiala ditable, to my no, those on Talaka, and Sadaka.
Ditablement d'un polo ntaha nyimpula yelama domi de pala dali changadin chekate munia jidumo purma ayuli chekate ko tejima pune ini moama like naji nyale delivery company nima miya nye kama ba mani mwake mani mwasha mashira ankara ashishi den lebere pune ka yite pole ni mwasha mpyongoma
Ashilmano kunye shamyala ben shakam polo ngala tongwana tebela nyang so de nyala ngulizant tinati to pante manka to passer be kat match up akran bezo sanama so and de lehla tutuma be tutuma pambian de ko bien wata lehla metanga be te lehla medown and the service woma to lehla because don't believe me that kamara ti man to tumti siloma
of course
so amiyana to tumti silo to na jaka siloma ninta to renta kate yituko kachi so kanza
okay chekan kana misarashi sana the last time mina rajina chendema ra champion yala pam because samban ne pam tu nye kabe bo harma ne ya ibe kan terba direction imbe lokshapulo no lorna kate choma pamne to tiare na kama tencho no lorna yi ran service shama wa yibananchi ashi no lorna no ba ile ma amfane dem biene ka seloma de tune bang tencho no lorna no bonu boki izampa hetumo mazo ne rechen vien ya
no lorna ne lenye tumo be no lorna ne letu ne nirwe patronizer because I'm a mami no lorna wumsum ne bian chance so bian e wolo no le kar wumo o mi male tun shel kar tun o tun so no lorna ne katen ne tun no lorna ne tan be bira and we have a lot we are going to talk about so rukutu ne nirba titiza
so nchamli osan be palma san dinon kama so bien an yel wumsum for instance mo do mo ko mi de bor bandirwo no odi ka yuno le kwa moto be lori no la chang extra mass ti daban dirguma
okay
ka finya al mulu dinan ka so bien ka bori sonsen ya
ma kama na punku yalwa no lor ngwana tenon kutum de metu kama tin dai pun kutum de sha katle inspector kama no lor ngwana ndele tu na nirwe interte deliveries because kama ku yalma wumsma and ben yar ban dirgo so biane temal nirba shawa ka banyala ba biara o ko tolu nwale so sometimes ban dirgo bobo de non wala difficult big ba ku yina chant da ban dirgo mo mbelo nwale ma on to feel way because no lor namba so ban num zazo kati yisizana ya o ko to yina mo mbwalmati tanan ne son no larga ba sa to no larga sa ka tanan de deliveries so Antonio deliver guy karanya la palo zo ba kan wen largan wala because we are trying as much as possible ka den non wala at to service ab warna largan wala kar de tuna mal ban shaka kale kun wala mati tene organize lan kana ta ambel wala kam
pambiene kama Miguel Soko onin light kwara kabo pambiene maybe shabbe lo shan ka jahre la light ni mama te largara so dinin ka shabbe lo shepulo ka borne e chang kama la tete bo santi di ben sha zan kana teba bi contact ya into no
to kunun da laba da pala tete mal shawkat to dir letterba hal to basan ma pa so bi ni mana ka to nun da lettere nirba so to mal some people bangwa to min ban ku tunda so sama ku paro ku organize deliver guy en zan ma chang teba so no lor ngwana nguna denin dele tuni de dangula kan nirba patronize
okay so sina sonto wilne maybe nan le karpa no lor na ma de lor ne to biero konko tum pa no lor na ki ina ku run service moma kan le na extraordinary like izanga lor pa pundir
no hale ka consideration je pa bien den ba because akatle tumban tunda ban pumi den yesha and no lor no na kaman den ka manager ku yelo ma no lor ne de yala topam so la dibo gas la no lor ne so to banya ni sel ma ka gwa lor no ma nyaram be sha so to ko to ya yongo kat bobi because the perfect price to amade te mana yitum discounts bien zanta ka no lor ma da barka so kat bol la ma ya
ben sha kam tichen minister more special no lor money dinan ka so born maybe in number shot to consider the time like it to meet the expectations
to meet because I got the company woman nyala one man one serve kama ay ku borban shaw ka so gwa borban shaw to ben nzangle kaka tam taba ne de zangon bodin cha ka kalantena zangon bodin cha aku borban shaw no vimino kwenzang na ndeta ami understand ga no vimino kwenzang na ndeta so ada wang bay kara because na chuma ma pasara ma te gasia pam so tanan tuma ku biala do ku kachi so kabza hadal
wow that's beautiful tra ndat boy manager ben shaw tinje no lorma yeto ashanga bien ka pam charle ka pamina kununa shabni charshe ka shabmi nung ne shama tinda punjin kara difila shanzan jandala dinama ina kuran service kam sarka nyawo bole nyale kwam ka bor kwam be shakama anda ku mi ka tukum de sham to tum de because wala ken yalma kama samba ko bongo so biane apasha ka musulmi nyobe ka dagbane nyo so comme ça hamala on blivi sham so dinya no lornya ka lola no ka kama because za halora no nya de be sham vini ala bien me aku so bien ba ko lo no ma na oni za yan kapsul wala ko chantan bat bo bindu ga de nya la so san ka mal na ko kom ka mal na tu kaman abin chan shukur ka o ko non da tu la den ma mo ra ko kam na ka tamana ti jini atata biya ka tamen shukur na ma to aska tan to poro tsara lezo be shakam tana ku non da be shabo boy pa ba na pa ya
cha am pa biya la kama am fu leo kana mbo ko yel shamma mami pumpon ma dan kama ku stress ma pumpon ne le yale abang la labo poso ti somo na tenunguna na ala bolte me abang la labo and understand the angle you are coming from abang la but ma posoti so it's not generally abang la labo so hale so ne toku ni mama to be yanga ka borna chansha ko ka filer we shale ato bolti atakana takwa ato malmuto baba ka bor luri abang ni yasha ato malmuto
a jinu relaxé
ka bor iku kana takwa makati champion ne luri kat zan luri na takwa abang ni yasha so it's not the matter of amal bi aka and then sometimes so bi no ku bora company so na men bolti la ka ko en ku bora company donc ko en kata po oka ti champion ti champion red clay ti champion ya maybe donc ko en kata kurane around abang la so akulu nwel ka feeder lazy ka jena kama a stress ama kama mali rounds na anto bolti the kala pro
so manager imen ni sanem tumne ne tabma en tumami kuto tumna ka challenges ka da pune imen customers ma like bonu bole chen yimen ba sunsune sa chama bien karban nang de nyasum
den bien demi ne bien ma tan waro kutune te bantien nang sham kata to handle la situations ma because ma mi lare yetwa is very delicate be yoma teninsalnama yoma the non but we have a way to deal with our customers so them kama dezo ka tenenda yali ben sha come to negotiate mama so before katimina rani we sit down with you to negotiate shabiane bokunya la to customers bia come to min bantunga so dela ngompa kumimi this is how we work so hali into tum so tuma kara pay several days ka payments kara nyi Tom, but tinyala ni salnama. So sometimes we understand certain situations. So the malten to deal with la challenges smashing. But tomorrow generally the mal challenges as to ni salnama kananchi accident and main orders. So this is that encounter like. Kama last month mini Leo can try take some trips. Silmi shabanda kana. Netizamba trazamba magleta male then kartisha netizamba chang shal bolga the next day when we're going on the way tranyala accident with the lorry so the male to agwala pam but then kujina nani mwashal ton kujina ma we want to match up with kama and the punya ma the botune sab nan da ban shao kaso yi saf kana yon ka da wara ban ya kaza karkachi
of course
so boki ne be yon nan la me yarama we have to aban la labo dozo kati yel kama hal so yi be saf before ko yan kana to search Google ne kana banam kan yan bu abang la labo kamin ba tumda dozo kat make sure ka platforms maza kat nan active on it so hala bitin shele ka borna find out about us then nan ka kana yon ka stress ama then you can find us
so sina welcome some den be maybe niveau so ngumbo ni zo chanko tidi bandiru ne niveau so ngundo ya ka bonne ida bandiru zanto na
welcome some shell kana da za ha kunyala tannan da shell and a can ma shebetin yan di bandiru ma ta na shell proma dan yan wuhe welcome some dem biar na kace welcome some shell kana and dinyala tan ya za can ka tidi bandiru ka ta kujiya gula ta mal da sulu to kun ji magula hal ka nan an borbe shazam na tanna ka tilan ku alapsa shell pro an bonne a can tibi amiya ne ta zanga can ka ta bi ni ma na atun ready an bolta ka tilan ka ta pa dinyala to so tun kullu la da za hanyala the same so the dwella tenya zanga changsha po be sahama ne nyesham dama amina kama de maybe ti ku pibita okuja sana ka kuna an no sha kamza hatana golan zanga lapse ngisa hawon tumana ku kilani man so du to ku beka wenzang chang kalamna so welcome some don ku biara nambara
akuto nyengo ma tete lo shepulo ntia delivery company ne ya tamanu but trust me ila delivery ne ma bennan na ben shama na jinyer tete boyon bukun ko mani moi en benni mo ma pune ne ku yeli ga sheka please pression bam mama temalema and you can imagine do no ka mama yenji kema de wuhra benni mo ma ne chante sa look shepulo shaben bukun yimna ne delivery company nyaba ki yimin ba pil business ka Gabriel to ba mo bangunai bunku yar shelo ma zaha de mama ndir shahra kanyer kar nunda rizo abia lo kam abia ankara be gana lo kam be tundu ya le ka be ke kana yotin nan ka bukata baba yin pan mama kamin ba po hayu ta ba trust me buntu che kam bor shema karana so yesu han ka buyin to ko kom kala Okay, so I be lol come to vous comme kalabna gare comme TV zone bon inside tamale li au table misarashi na nyala bambe tu du opune pompo te pas quoi mal chile npi wama nini nyala yi services ma lokshe polo bolé general service boké nan zang pala aden ma polo
de nyala kaman kaptum bansuma kaman banko tum de tum bansuma
okay
to rendre service tirba kaman tum bansa kaman carpenter ma banon de taso hairdresser ma ne barbering shops kaman tum bansum on kam ko melo tum bansum
okay so kama ye melo tum bansum is it that ogbai body sonsim ne ben sha dabu maybe kama carpenter for instance o that tabu ne ma ki ne to po chanto to be pako bora ke ne to dan
chanto to be otuma material shall come on bora
okay so like anya shamo maybe
kaman anya tumbanda ka bora ben sha tuma ma shi ka tum ka ben sha te short be ka bora ben sha ka sa kana anto bolt kat na le ta
wow okay so dinya ila mala shabaki imin ba tumna maybe so by be look shapulo ka bor carpenter tin yelo be plumber ko o bora me bo ben sha ma problem ko bor ngi yankana tin non le
to ko mal ba me kat man ba tumda dinya akala carpenter be akala plumber be akala kamare o man de zavre
okay
tana malba me
okay ila mala shabba ka bichara
okay hairdressing kama tumban bansum kam agete mo tumbalba so nyi ku borba kanela abamila and to change pour nyaba ay ku contact inshallah
be hala ay ku mi nan to nyaba ama ka sa kantin nyi mamang chang in ne to nyela nirma
zang kam tum am borna tum shetama kama maybe ay mal problem eden kam maybe di yindi be shaw ka sa na to nyi sona aku contact da ba chanshiro mo donc be season shelo
problems okay so tinto yele ngoma ka so yule kama you work as ma be maybe an garnin vo shabe to anwa wula nyaba bank sam zang pala ma polo is it ay ku gan la bam mi tuma ma vien yela ngaki mun ba gun kana zo en tamo
ma mi to comprendre ngoma to bor la di table
okay
so ka fin ka tamun so camion tum ti homa table ka believe that o mimi ka ti nyutuma tadi pore jirga pa be ka de to ku porla te nyala shamna nan zoga ta ba borna te non to ko dir ma table ra ka nyutuma ka mi no mituma before ka tana saga to mo tum
wow okay so to call English graphic designers la graphic design maman designer be shabki la mal kab
no to kuma la shabka non dele to kuma la shabka non dele ko le kama hale to maman ben yara de to ku be social media maka so kam yar ban mo ko designer
wow so where does gaza ha bien itimi ba
abum te ye tumban samkam aku quality donc to no shel to ko so ten yara but an ko mi kama de eden tumba so de Garcia kama mesan ma well ben shakam abukata no ko ba ben shakam just contact us ko contact mte tinu to no le ten yara
okay that's beautiful so I be sambande on kay niveau chamo ma zasa man po ya bani mo hali chante pa lo chefulo tumba na kam kai bora an ko mi ka bubuni shab tumban wa tela na mzasa nyala bambi de pune nyinkwa nkwole ba me kayel ba maybe abwa na shon ka banche ka tela man kuri design zanta ka nyel ka aso parage okay so manager chekan kana asane temal lo shaplo financial services boki inang den
okay before we talk at the financial services mafila mbone yalla polish la mabimani ya shelma biala concerning
general services yes that's the general
professional services hal aynye ban tun ban da su katamina abatunda ka wumti yala nyin kam na katamina jifila ka wuti be katinya tumtum sa itune ta ada ta listene kata ada but mal professionals pam kama an yeli ga shelon so tumambala ka te mi ko designer ka nan da ben shakam so nyala ka ayili gon ofial hale mba yiri nyamu yan designer mbantama ama la business ka borne so brandle you can call us tene yekuto brandle ba tamal the professionals ten yana tuma kam hal banza ka ay bora nyamte
so chekati ne twango di sokati di ta fego dinan kama yelne soyi ma tum bangsam ka borne imuno partnership and then soyi borne ozon tumtuma ka onu to use so true yinema percentage bela de pune be o dilan yan kana la she bien me kar tunu mama na yonten ya before kana join a company
din yesham baba yuar la arterta ka joiner to company because we try to work with people. So what we do is that when they are interested, be aminitin to ta market man. Then ka kana ka temina jine. Then mina jine nyala ula. So ye built ni kama te boara carpenter ka temika anu to tumtuma. Because dem be shan halanto mala carpenter o. Kabulu la sa ko ka free okto nga mbor ben shatama so an yina mzor ganda wula kain so din tuna nan wula pa quality be amala carpenter ka nyon be mami professionals so antu welti tena mal bala pam abang la halti ta so ka anim beto tu shele anim beto no to tumle we have variety of them abang la lago so with professional service manguna manye ka den ka tuma nan simple ba because of them involve so many people
so to you financial services ma ya tama din tun yarmo din tonon kasobe sambane ka onni miara donc ti yel duo ye to azo so tama namba share maybe so ibe sambane ka borne o bole ki muno po hayo tawa
hale ma screen ma zo ban lehra menye namba na ma screen ma zo but de ko tune to bole so di nyala kama ni der la so for any professional service and to bole 024 29
kuma mama mbole
kar ko lor yes to namba ma nyala 024 2961 225 024 2961 225 tela mal Vodafone 0203 228099 0203 228099 this happens on les en pas screen mazo so I could watch ra anyale
so to tikam financial services mo boke non de pune
financial services mo ko bi da bala biri je de para pune financial services ma waro kunan la simple so kami tenant de bencha concerning mobile money e-switch ne banking agency banking nama so then basically ton kunan de sham in terms of financial service mbala tabatir loan don ite kala radin anti loan but dinyala amala mobile money service and what we do is that any amount to yera in terms of mobile money anto chanchal pour le kabiyala na te kan so hale ayen huge sums of money that's why we have an office I cannot office temina engine ka kujin lo yin ka esi miara ka teno organize la arma ven yalanga de kana gongu
don't bank ko pale
so we tukuto the bank jeto guda so donc kunyi shambala agency banking magba teto non de other banks car bank bien et eco bank bien et fidelity bien so I to mala accounts then I send la arrêt to so be I withdraw me then anto kana katenan la services ma nzangta telamal e-switch service ban on the national service share bien ka you are ba through e-switch Ghana P this that nanda don concerning e-money in maza tenandale so basically financial service ma denye ben shambala so it means that categorize them katamal staff for each and every
service
so the kana kalio yenchi delivery kana attend financial no everybody has so comes a mala obombo o part shelon player
so currently anku years en pa diploma de zoe kan nirba pa defrauder nirba turu ir mobile money ala trazu katinye sonto be lo sheploka allow the cash out so yi lore sa ho nirba pam mala problem with that isan mo ma wula ke dira
te san o tutuntu ma yu pam so how to company o to start them with lab and ma so don number one experience in yale entity hale mama na min nan de transaction tirso ka bayan zo kam I'll let you understand that. The one to which I got to food na call mommy no. So we try to prevent that. How to customers to save verba. Being save verba kasi Syria. So in try no default.
Okay, decisive verba.
Ka to you know mama na yosugum bala rekere ni. So to mal the experience pam. To mal the experience. Do saratin and bit to makam. But we are very experienced in terms of the lab in Yahara.
So the Yalma then ko kalten yama mobile money is which Ghana Pay, anything relating to la divo erin be la yiwo la sombo disaster benya banangle so to ho ka te so lo reis unu to mkati hane maybe
to dir la
sona idir sona
to dir la sona what we do is that I cannot explain mata to dir la sona but ten bank shangaza ten nonde cash in withdrawals terma telan yur la da accounts no abang la labo so di nyala kanama mala la carbon no sonde tento yala to yur accounts ter bank nama so anto select bank sheli ambora kat yur da accounts ta then kai pa kanat malar ma sonde so alarba do te sani then do la bank man ba atien accessly you can come and withdraw it through us so ten non
so jankana ka bol number mati nyala is to she pon kara nyaks pam kamba jire dinan ka maybe ka abwana dabandir like tinde yelma be maybe ban shaka ko ensan lo da you need to allow the cash out ka doyan ku doyale ho wala chi abendi allow the cash out ban sane kabla yi logrma en chante daban shaka man borzanta ma al ngo ala te pa ngo dinan ya al hazo so ai be samba ne ka umna de tuna azan simza non fila shetin dirma
hala Allah hadan gar la biale dene nye ko doya karnya la mala fiscal cash nye ko doya yalen ta ambor ben sha tanum na zan ta lare nan ben sha kamza zan na ta de be jama na se ne ta lare be a alawi cash out ka ta yi halore
you see
tanan tuma ba tu ku bor ma ya don ko en ka ta meki ben sha kam simple zantini sala so mbora ben ya kaza mbora la kwam nan da I intitula the description kat chang o nyera amount ka accepti kat danan tata na lare tile kana ka vulgati so don kunyi shi
pompo kama the one do na tuma ka because tu sha kwa tuna kama ka ku do yanga ka ni ku ma ka sha ku yina ntizanjina ntumle zanzanta it's not easy and la sheben dir ma ni to yul karman la ben sha nyela ama bebe ya na bolor na ka da petro that tells you that area nzan mama moto be lori yina kwashara ndi nzan rana gele inde mala mama bukata ma to la pamo ka bampe la shebe yan diga san den ka bampe nzan dan nan be moto kun be lori pune non be shaka man bolma nzanta marsa ka la be mbala okay so
bala jabana ndel lampa sometimes tijia yarongo wa shabta hamna kwadi ba malare
yeto
akati yina wallahi ka ba malare no wakati yina because tibana tutfai nirbo
solo maba okay
tiyana tutswam jahago ka adi malare pam kan to temte be kan to dans to kwa bukata bela shala ko malwa chaka nin tane kama digital na ku bolti temana no to
wow that's beautiful so tipiam delivery services ma pune do trepon shele biala delivery services ma ku kalme erend maybe some few shele yin ku nan na zankpa de produit cheka on be samba no ko no to kulban tuma ma zan hadin yesha
okay te pon kalven yara kama delivery nguna ben shaka e bon ka tichante importante kama pick up mbala kama exemple ke betalma nyama station son cha ka bon tichante portana demana ko endila fila tracé tichante portana be kama di
ça passe le delivery
thank you de balba kam tenon de la même and de lampa ya kama yontuma de jouer pamka so gas na ka o kasaha no chant de file high quality tenyala bayanka te portant file tana be kama di anon busy akoto chant da jarjere kama te pabon kama onon busy akoto chant da jarjere aku bolte tenyala bayanka na into delta
Wow.
be akwam nine because to be young at the bed hang me ko pa ma dum be sham abela ka tang mene kwam ka bor kwam I quality temna yan twasem ka to kwam man nga an be moto kinne zantana understand yabo so kana ci tuma ma dan garcia ni yan kalle na an ko tahi ne
ben shakam den
to non tenon de la min don ko nyame man janu ko boy namba shangama kolam te I call te tini to nan le tin yala to bo marjere ya to be yare be shaton ko to
so chankana manager sa manager nya ben shao delivery ma pune corporate errands can be understand Anthony le tima denjen den sham
so corporate errand ma nyame kama tu zore de kama ituma wana ni jiango matuma ki tumdama so into borban shao so corporate errand donc nyame tamini in tuma wana tamini yan tumda iborban sha sambanne ki bolti terbora ben ya kaza jamta da stationary titi damon watiti so den miza kama tampun yalma nyin kunyala ka quality kala ka yan sanity batile in changme ka mi the cost involved abangla katidana tada so corporate akumala business be the nyala public institution be private antu temina no to tum the hotel nyale guest house nyale bumbo halitrati temale laundries katamin batunda anya bo is an institution so business mbala but we panyama o mal customers ko pa nyama customers ma kutu kana tidi so yon call ba maka chata kana ta call distributed ba be nyin baza abora laundry antu quality o kati I don't want tamal laundry in our list kati va ne ma chan so that is corporate bin yara ma mbala then nye corporate ma
so answer number ma
so number ma kunyala 024 25 sorry 02429612225 katla mal Vodafone karanye 0203228099 so any corporate temimba na batunda ki need the service number shanga donc pas screen mazo tumbol shanga ma antu bolle
so briefly like I would like you to summarize everything so that somebody who is outside and doesn't understand in Dagbandi will be able to know what exactly we are discussing in here today.
Yeah, so Tunku Yarsham, whatever we are discussing here in Dagbani, we are coming to discuss it in English a bit. So we are talking about Ihlas Hub. And Ihlas Hub, we do a lot of services and we categorize them into three, which is we have the delivery service, we have the general service, and we also have the financial service. So the financial service, we said that we do all kinds of mobile money, e-switch, and all agency banking. We do them. And with regards to the delivery, we do any kinds of delivery. We run errands for people and corporate, like we explained. So, and finally, we have the general service, which is the professional service. If you need any professional, say carpenter, plumber, or any kinds of professional you need, you call us, we organize the professional for you to come and do the job that you want. So this is basically what Ihlas Hub does.
So you talk about the delivery. So I would like you to point some particular services that you run in there.
Yeah, with the delivery, we have parcel delivery, we have food delivery, and that of the corporate errand. Like say with personal delivery, you can call us for gas filling, you want water, you want food, or you have things coming from other parts of the country, like you have luggages, we can take it for you. That is part of the delivery, you understand. So anything that concern taking something for somebody or picking a person for a person, we categorize all of them under the delivery services. So we call it the delivery and what? Errand. We run errand and that of delivery. So that is basically what we do in terms of the delivery.
So all what we are talking about, somebody outside may think in terms of security, like do you have measures for that, so that somebody who wants to deal with you guys will be rest assured that nothing will happen?
Yes. In terms of security, the other time we talk about it, we have testimonies. We have worked with so many people, so we try to engage with the person before we do anything. And when we go to the station, we check and counter check your number, your name, your location, everything. We make sure everything is intact, so that we will not take somebody parcel for the other. So in terms of security, and that is why the other time you ask us the time we work, that's why we don't work in the night, midnight, because of security. But we work the broad daylight. So security measures, we have so many. Yes.
So the last time, like I said, those around Target, UDS and other places, in terms of water, they have so many water crises in there. So I will encourage them, those staying around those places, to do business with you, so that the water, they will be able to get it in an affordable price, and it will be okay with that. So the number somebody will want to contact. So
so if you want to contact Ikhlas Delivery Service, we have our MTN numbers and our Vodafone numbers. We have 02429612225. That is our MTN. We also have the 0203228099. That is the Vodafone. All the numbers will be displayed on the screen. So if you are watching, you can pick it up and then you call us.
That's beautiful. So tunku ye shema za ha din cha to kuzan selima pa ma tema bibi shabe sambane kabogumde dagbanle katebonna bugaza sa di amfani sheltun kuzan zan tenya uma de zoten non sambane nan gafara ditin man la to kulbonna tete wo se kala ranyere shabe mbogumde tenya hati nan to ye balamaza because of time den cheka to zan focus on dagbanle ma bien cheka tumama champion ya zantitiza trebeza sakatana to ye bal kam kambi tamare min de tan kwa min gana lolo kam ko bana to di enfant shedem bien de zone pan ya jande ki non business with Ikhlas hap ne ma banyala bank pan de mampam wallahi manda pun yele tini de bataba bana kuna lamna ke for the second time netmin batizan enfant de la bien zantiya kan pan de jande un kambaza nan ne business antu chena dumo pu ne katemini apwa to you taba kata kwa hada bilgumati sambane ne manta tin nan ne ben shama te din ma bela de konko domi tian rani a business ma o social media platforms and manage time shemu nirbo pampa dola social media ma ndiran fan so manager yeto aden ku bien ka bona
mbali yeto ashel ni yale en la yeto ama debe concerner Ikhlas Delivery Service. Mbwar mun cheka ni sal ni bankama studio shell ni tinjia on tama man benyeri pi na on zo de pala nyanyula manuel kan lo kan yara so ku bwar mun ni rebe ban kama tinji lo shell on di pi katama on because in yala ratuma so yala mi ba para da manga so ni muna raba tuni ni yala
man ya di ang mala nang ban public
abang la labo manye ituma de zo manage ngo mbia yale Ikhlas Delivery last chance shara antma on bizan ni yale Ikhlas Delivery but mbwar man ni raba bango kamza be yon kanon the business ko manya hal I set up business ba mo ban to set up ban ta ideas as to ayen changa business shan kan raba banga yala because bu song tapam so tena noko jean ti ku isi pete min ba sign la contract tena min ba pay ntuna bana yenye te be shak na onzo ni tolonguna mbengar la bano ni ituma so donc bien mbala kandi kam borna stress
to ba pa sina
to ba kwa to akunyala te service ma to office bien la sakasaka akupana sakasaka police station ma the main dundwelma ka the main
balance
so aku bormane akana katmana tijene ka anyetun tum de sham because so bien o ko borla nin tele ko borno ka to
jambang ye dembe lo
ko bela sakasaka aku pana sakasaka police station ma dundwelma na man ban ko bada
demi nang maka ko la mini mane te number ma man ja te people ma bien ka zantuma kan bol number anti sambana nema okay so de check out bana hantama dem be screen mazo anto bolle ay kulu bolba maybe mbona ban lo shepulo bembe karna bugu tru anto ko te bazasa katen kuzan achante banu mo
so bumbo internet era mbalama anku sechi tenonguna se
in search engine social media handles my
social media hand tenombe shaka kunyala ihlas nyede ku type ihlas whether ihlas hub be ihlas delivery service or social media de yinami dila nyala google zo bumbo all search engines maza ku search ay nyala me de yinami and that be an danshal yonka so call ma so sometimes what we do is that so need to call ka action was sent to mulo buka ta mbuhume kama ula kana so there are so many of young guys ma ka to quality ka to render service ma but then later ambo yala I know ku chama type delivery service in Tamale Google mbalama so you small ka so I believe that young boys ka course man din ya tenin pan ni ya ala tenin ye tumbuar na biha kuma na ngara so ko ma phone an ku searchi an yala ma halatin shi studio shi won on boy de yulma fan yala nga aku searchi an yala tunu kamban tuntum ne chon of course so pompon internet era mbalama kat phone ma son de so the tune to use le van yala
sina be antete rap ya kat
no ma me ka gila ka gila so je
so ka gila so mando bono ngabo ko otete freestyle ya ma no so du kunye iren business shell da bam enjetima sina nya ngoma soro pam en timboar sham biya humana mbalama de tumine abien kama soro de zo soro shell ko ma den ka bazambe tuma pune o mi manager za have work with them and kami benyen in Bonshaba de zo pan pam e bambe boba lo come into un contact ba de nchika tuma chamve ya azantiti nesen chongo ka pova ka pa ne banto nye sa piana dumo pune ka poso kamza hane to konyure no lo apune kwame ma ka tuma ma chamve ya temne za ha sunsune dezo kamza ha be sambane ka dojimo te baza za na poroso nzana tere yin cheka jimo nye number 1 in Tamalema yes dezo no posinia Lyon balante table misarashi manager ne benye sa hatu kena oma libe lo kam ti bi rekare viala na nzanti nye via pa zo dale ti nye she hatin lan labna ti za fan mo tetebo nzanzanti yulumbo na abu moas jimo mikat pi bole inside Tamale Garecom TV zo nzana pour son tere manager Samet ngoni nye Garecom see you assalamu alaikum